Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can select the data of a column in Excel. So currently the data you are seeing in this data, there are around 700 to 800 rows of data. So if I want to select or copy some of my data in my column, then what happens is that I can't drag it to the bottom because it has around 800 rows of data, which is not possible to do. And the other option was to select the top of the column, but the issue with this is that it will also select my row header, which I don't want, and it will also select the space, the empty space after my cell that is filled with data. So I don't want these empty cells to be copied. I just want the data. So the solution for this is that we need to use some keys for that. So what we will do is we'll select our cell, that is cell A2, from where we need to start to copy, and then we need to press three keys together. So we will press Ctrl, Shift, and the downward arrow key together. This will help us to select the data. So now I'm pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus the down arrow key. So Ctrl plus Shift plus down. Now by doing this, my data has been selected. It has not been copied right now, but it has just been selected. Now to copy this, you can use the Ctrl plus C key. So I'll say Ctrl plus C. Now you see that it has been copied and I can paste it wherever I want to paste it. You can also do this with multiple columns at also. So in case I want to copy the first four columns, so I'll just select these cells, the first four cells, and again I'll press the key Control plus Shift plus the downward arrow key. Control plus Shift plus downward arrow key. Now this selects all my data in the first four columns, and then I can copy it using the Control plus C key. Control plus C key. Now I have copied it also. I will try to show you the same thing using a online keyboard also, in case you are not able to understand by just visually viewing it. So I'll open my on-screen keyboard. So now let's say I want to select the customer ID and their age. So what I'll do is I'll select these two cells and I will say Control Shift and the downward arrow key. Now this way all my data has been selected. This has been selected and now I want to copy it, so I'll just say Control plus C. Now it has been copied also and now I can paste it. I'll show you. So I'll just say for pasting I can use Control plus V. So now you see my data has been pasted as well. So this is the trick if you want to just select the data inside a column in Excel. So I hope this trick is helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section if you want any such trick for any other issue in Excel as well. I will come up with a solution. Hope you have a good day. Bye bye.